Thanks, everyone.
When you've just come back from a really fun video shoot, the next steps are crucial to getting your footage from the camera into its final form, where people can actually see and enjoy it. Post-production, while considered by many to be less glamorous than the actual shoot, is not only necessary, it's an art form all on its own. And today, we're gonna walk you through it. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, my name's Trisha Hirschberger and you are watching DIY in 5, where we discuss tech topics in such a way that you can feel emboldened to do it yourself, all in a video that's 5 minutes or less. As someone who has shot a ton of footage that's never seen the light of day, guilty as charged, I understand the hesitancy and procrastination some may feel around post-production. Today's video not only aims to make this process less tedious, but maybe even, dare I say, fun? The first thing you want to do is save and transfer your files from your camera to your computer and back up everything to the cloud or an external drive for safekeeping. For a speedy transfer, especially if you need to transfer photo, video, and audio from multiple sources all at once, say after a long video shoot, the Kingston Workflow Station is a godsend, I kid you not. This thing is small, fast, customizable, and portable, and I honestly don't know what I'd do without it. Link in the description for anyone who wants to check it out. Once everything is transferred over to your computer, it's a great idea to back up in a second location, whether that's cloud storage or an external drive like the Kingston XS2000. Keep in mind, your footage straight out of the camera may be really large files, especially if you're working with raw footage, which is basically digital equivalents of negatives that need to be processed before you can start working with them. But more on that later. I say this now only so you can ensure you have enough storage available for all the data that you're working with. Now that we know our footage is safe, it's time to get organized. I find it helpful to sort and rename files by location, date, events, clients, etc. before beginning to edit. Also, not all of your footage will be A+ material, and that's okay. Feel free to get rid of the footage that may be unflattering or out of focus, and start editing what you think you'd like to use. When it comes to editing, here's where color correction, exposure correction, and personal style comes into play. Think of your final vision for this footage. What will it be used for, and how can you use your creativity to really make this footage shine? Once everything looks good in your editing software, you'll need to export the finished video. Ask yourself where you intend to use the video, what size and aspect ratio might you need, what format is best for your needs. Once you know where your video will live, you can research the ideal file type and aspect ratio you might need. Or you may need to export multiple file types for the same project. This is where your raw footage becomes final video. Finally, all that's left is to deliver the video to its destination. Is it going to a client? Being distributed to social media? Being shown on a TV for mom's birthday? Uploaded to YouTube? Now everyone gets to see the fruits of your work. I hope today's video helped you not feel so overwhelmed by the post-production process, and maybe even enjoy it a little. After all, this is the part where you get to share your creation with the world. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tech tips. See you next time.